In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image in Notion. Pasting images is one of the simplest but most useful things you can do in Notion. Whether you're building a personal dashboard, documenting a project, or putting together a team wiki, images can make your page clearer, more visual, and easier to understand. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to paste an image into a Notion page, and I'll also share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you already have the image you want to paste copied to your clipboard. That usually means you've either right-clicked on an image somewhere else and selected Copy Image, or you've taken a screenshot that's automatically saved to your clipboard. You can also copy an image from another document or app, as long as it supports copying images. Now, go to the Notion page where you want to place the image. Click anywhere on the page so that your cursor is active. This tells Notion exactly where you want the image to appear. If you want it between two blocks of text, click in that exact spot. If you want it at the very top or bottom, just click there. The position of your cursor is important because the image will be inserted right at that point. Once your cursor is in the right place, right-click anywhere in the page area. This will open a context menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Paste. Go ahead and click on Paste. As long as your clipboard contains an image, Notion will recognize it and insert it directly into the page. After the image appears, you can adjust it if you like. Hover over the image and you'll see handles that let you resize it by dragging, so you can make it larger or smaller depending on how prominent you want it to be. You can also drag the image block up or down the page to reposition it if you change your mind about where it should go. If you try to paste and nothing happens, double check that you really copied an image and not just the image's link or some surrounding text. It can also help to try copying and pasting again to reset your clipboard. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking on your Notion page and choosing Paste, you can quickly bring images into your notes and pages, making them more visual, informative, and engaging.